Hi, I'm Chanel. I'm from Midstream Real Estate within the greater Midstream Estate, and today we're bringing you this very large family home at a cost of $7,995. We have 4 bedrooms to offer, all ensuite. We have a cinema room, we have an open entertainment area, a pool, a patio, beautiful open plan kitchen, beautiful finish, completely refurbished, and we are going to take you through the property. We're starting at the back to show you that you have a separate parking space with ample parking space for all your toys and all your cars and whatever you have that you need to park away. 1 double garage, and a single garage. Let's take you to the front of the home and show you what it has to offer. So I would like to tell you a little bit more about Midstream Estate. As you know, Midstream is a security state, not just any security state. It's one of the top security states within Gauteng, the greater Gauteng. We have double perimetered walls. We have security guards patrolling the estate 24 hours. We have biometric security gates where you have to come through with facial recognition and fingerprints. Our security is very strict, and that is what makes it possible for us to live the lives that we want to live, with our kids roaming the streets, parents walking around, and just kids being kids like it used to be. So welcome to Midstream Estate, where you will find that this would become the home that you would never want to leave. Let me show you this beautiful property. Okay, so we're going to start off with an entrance hall that is almost triple volume. It is so beautiful and so large, an open plan. And you will see the whole house is just big open spaces, and you just feel the luxury and the comfort when you step into this beautiful home. We're going to start off with a cinema room, completely private. Please come and have a look. We've got beautiful wooden doors opening up. We have a gas fireplace to keep you warm during the winter months, and as you can see, the beautiful solid wooden door that closes it up to make it a cinema room. Now we're going to walk into the lounge dining room, but before we do, we have a guest bathroom on your left over here, conveniently situated very far away from the rest of the house. Welcome to Open Spaces. You can see here everything flows onto the dining room, onto the kitchen, lounge flowing out onto the garden, the pool, the entertainment area, stacker doors flowing out, making this all a wonderful entertainment space. You can see the beautiful entertainment area that has been installed for a second TV or family area within the home. We've got a second fireplace on offer, also gas. We've got the patio running outside, so we have a covered patio outside as well as a patio on the inside, where we have a wooden fireplace as well as a beautiful fire pit outside. Here you can see your entertainment area extends into your garden with your fire pit. It is a gas fire pit, so it's hassle-free, beautiful manicured and landscaped garden on offer. Large pool. If you have kids, this is the ideal size. More than enough space for a large family to fill up this beautiful large home. You can see all the patios, you can see the height, you can see the indoor-outdoor living. Throughout the property, it's always an indoor-outdoor living. If you are looking for a stylish kitchen, beautifully furnished, with a gas hob, look no further. Let's come and show you what it has to offer. You can see we have a large gas hob over here. We have an oven, 2 ovens, and ample spaces. We've got large storage cupboards here, a pantry, as well as a beautiful farm style basin, and just extra space. Stylish with beautiful spaces for glasses to showcase all the beautiful cutlery that you have, and a very large scullery and laundry area. You can see you have space for many appliances. You've got a space for a double fridge, your microwave, and so much more space. There is a lot of packing space in this home. This property does have a servant's quarters on offer on the outside with its own separate bathroom, but for now let's go and have a look at the guest room. This is the guest suite downstairs, also en suite with a shower, basin and toilet, and this looks out onto the patio outside. Okay, follow me upstairs. Let's go and have a look to see what it's got to offer there. Here we have solid wooden floors leading us up to the first floor.